Hello, I'm Chris Dennis. Still haven't closed the portalet. They're coming out for that. But I want to do a quick story about this really interesting news article that normally I would totally ignore, but as a KMP developer and I'm seeing all the changes and the things that are coming up with Kotlin Multi-Platform coming through JetBrains, I'm about to do a new series about this cloud cover app I just built with iOS target, JavaScript target, desktop target, all with one code base, all written in Compose. Uh, but yeah, Google lays off staff from Flutter, Dart, and Python teams this week, just before the developer conference, which is coming up in May in a few days. Ahead of Google's annual I/O developer conference in May, the tech giant has laid off staff across key teams like Flutter, Dart, Python, and others, according to reports from affected employees on shared social media. Google confirmed the layoffs to TechCrunch, but not the specific teams, roles, or how many people were let go. And it looks like about 50 people. You get into the details of it. As we've said, we were responsibly investing our company's biggest priorities into the significant opportunities ahead. So I kind of, you can go on, you can read this article. I'll leave a link in the detail. I kind of think that the days of Flutter, because of KMP, because of what I'm seeing it being able to do for me, what I'm able to do with it, I'm seeing the days of this are numbered. Yeah, I don't know how they're gonna survive. I mean, Python maybe might still have a use case outside of Google, but like as far as application development, these are dead. These are dead technologies, and I think we're seeing the first indication of that. People are so saying, "I'm nervous. We get it. I get it. We get it. We're betting on Flutter and Dart." So is Google. I'm like, we heard this stuff before. When they say stuff like that, it's like the writing's on the wall, guys. So yeah, KMP looks to be a juggernaut. I mean, one platform to do all your IO, UI development is pretty choice. Anyway, that's what I wanted to do a quick video about that and let y'all know that KMP is probably going to be the way to go. It's all JetBrains, it's all Kotlin, one platform, iOS, desktop, Android, and the desktop is Linux, Windows, Mac OS, which may not even be a use anymore because you can just use an iOS app and it'll go on to the Apple's Vision project. It'll go to your iPad, everything for one code base, and I'll be doing a video series coming up soon. All right, about that, it's pretty exciting. Been waiting for this for something like this for a while. So these some of the technologies I'm talking about are still in alpha, but they are going full force because it's worked so well on Android. Android was their proof of concept, and they just are spreading Compose out from there. And yeah, I don't know why you'd want to go work with these technologies that are just a bridge and not even let you get into the native code very easily. So, anyway, talk to you soon.